As per the most recent long-haul figure, a share cost will hit $10 by the center of 2023 and afterward $25 toward the finish of 2025. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $8.51, so the cost expanded by 42% from the very start of the year. The anticipated a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.78, and the year-to-year change plus 163%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 85%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.88 per one a share. In the principal half of 2024, the a share cost will move to $17.54. In the final part, the cost would add $1.33 and close the year at $18.87. Which is plus 122% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later close to days and months. Wednesday, blemish $8.53. Thursday, blemish $9.55. Friday, blemish $10.57. Saturday, blemish $11.59. Sunday, blemish $12.61. Monday, blemish $13.63. Tuesday, blemish $14.65. Wednesday, blemish $15.68. April $15.31. May $15.93. June $15.10.57. July $15.11.28. August $15.12.11. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $18.87 to $34.86, which is up 85%. A share will begin 2025 at $18.87, then, at that point, take off to $22.27 inside the initial a half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $25.61. That implies plus 201% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the a share cost would ascend from $34.86 to $46.33. Which is plus 33%. A share will begin 2030 at $34.86, then take off to $36.95 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $39.03. It is about plus 359% from today. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $9.90. So the cost expanded by 65% from the start of the year. The estimated a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.11, and the year-to-year change plus 119%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 32%. In 2023, we hope to see $12.06 per one a share. In the primary portion of 2024, the a share cost will move to $14.25. In the last part, the cost would lose 41 cents and close the year at $13.84, which is plus 40% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $13.84 to $26.22. Which is up 89%. A share will begin 2025 at $13.84, then, at that point, take off to $16.33 inside the initial a half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $18.78. That implies plus 90% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the a share cost would ascend from $26.22 to $37.26. Which is plus 42%. A share will begin 2030 at $26.22, then, at that point, take off to $27.79 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $29.35. It is about plus 196% from today. 2023 a share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $10.86, so the cost expanded by 81% from the very start of the year. The gauge a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.34, and the year-to-year change plus 122%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 23%. In 2023, we hope to see $12.27 per one a share. In the primary portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $14.50. In the final part, the cost would lose 42 cents and close the year at $14.08, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. AXIE expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. AXIE cost would move from $14.08 to $26.66, which is up 89%. AXIE will begin 2025 at $14.08, then take off to $16.61 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $19.10. That implies plus 76% from today. AXIE forecasts 2030 to 2034. In this period, the AXIE cost would ascend from $26.66 to $37.89, which is plus 42%. AXIE will begin 2030 at $26.66, then, at that point, take off to $28.26 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $29.85. It is about plus 175% from today. 1/15/2023 AXIE value expectation 2023 to 2024 AXIE cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, AXIE exchanged at $9.13, so the cost expanded by 52% from the start of the year. The estimated AXIE cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.15. And the year-to-year change plus 153%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 66%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 AXIE. In the main portion of 2024, the AXIE cost will move to $16.30. In the final part, the cost would add $3.67 and close the year at $19.97. Which is plus 119% to the ongoing cost. AXIE expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. AXIE cost would move from $19.97 to $35.38, which is up 77%. AXIE will begin 2025 at $19.97, then, at that point, take off to $23.56 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $27.09. That implies plus 197% from today. AXIE forecasts 2030 to 2034. In this period, the AXIE cost would ascend from $35.38 to $46.58, which is plus 32%. AXIE will begin 2030 at $35.38, then take off to $37.50 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $39.61. It is about plus 334% from today. 1/1/2023 AXIE value expectation 2023 to 2024 AXIE cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, AXIE exchanged at $5.98, so the cost diminished by 0.